All right, guys, so welcome to the team. All right, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going over specifics on the actual back office itself that you just got started with and everything that deals with your IML Academy. All right, so being the fact you just got started, right, what I would definitely suggest is go to where it says IML Academy, right? And your page may look a little different. I have the IBO attached to mine. That's why you see a couple other things. But on yours, you'll see where it says IML Academy. Now, you're going to have a list of specific videos that I would encourage to watch first before you watch all the other videos. Okay. The reason why I say watch these first are because so that you can be able to actually get into the markets as fast as possible without having to watch all the videos. I would definitely suggest to watch all the videos, but if anything, watch them after you finish these specific ones. So the first one that you're going to watch is where it says, what is Forex? So in this video, you're going to see literally what Forex is. Okay, as you can see, it's just an 8-minute video, 8-minute long video, very, very short. The next one that I would definitely suggest to watch is when to trade Forex. Right, when to trade Forex. What this video will do is in 14 minutes long, it will tell you the specific times to trade Forex, and I believe this is a great video for the basics, right? And also buy versus sell. Okay. Now, when it comes to buy versus sell, you'll be able to learn this information during session number 1 when you get upgraded. All right. So basics number 2. What I would definitely suggest is to watch all of these videos, okay? So in basics number 2, you'll see what is a pip, and you'll see this information in basics number 1 as well, where I'll go a little bit more in depth, and we'll actually work it out with each other, right? So 14 minutes long. Leverage versus lots, right? This is leverage and lots. This is very, very important. When it comes to leverage and also lots, 60 minutes long. What I'll also do in session number 1 is go through this in great detail in a practical way so that you'll be able to learn for yourself. What is a trend? We'll be going over this in session number 2, part 1, and also in part 2 of session number 2, and also definitely in session number 3, you'll learn about what is a trend. And then also, what are candlesticks? I'll actually go through in session number 3 the specifics of specific candlesticks and stuff like that. And then also how they move. And then also support and resistance. I go through this information also in session number 3, 15 minutes long. So we'll go through the basics of it. Right? What is a pullback? I'll go through the specifics of a pullback. And you can be able to watch the basics right here, 7 minutes long. Next one that you would do is basics number 3. You would go to what is a stop loss and how you can be able to use that. 8 minutes long. I would definitely suggest to watch this, and I'll go over the basics and specifics of this in future videos. And then also basics number 4. What I would definitely suggest is, if you have an iPhone, go to where it says trade on your iPhone. If you have an Android, trade on your Android. And then also proper risk management. I go over this in session number 1 in great detail, okay? So definitely watch these videos first, right? The ones that were listed to you. And then when you get into session number 1, I'll actually go through the specifics and go into great detail in a practical manner, so that you can be able to start applying these steps right now. All right. So if you have any other video suggestions, please write them in the comment box. And then also like this video, subscribe, and let's become an FX Pro now.